video, we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves and say where we're from the natural way. To introduce ourselves, we should say our name, our job, and where we're from. You may have heard the pronoun tôi before, but from now onwards, I would like us all to use mình, M-I-N-H, lower voice, mình instead. The reason being, both mình and tôi mean I, but mình is much more amicable, humble, and gentle. First of all, our name. We say tên mình là, then our name, in which tên is name, mình is I, and là is a verb to be. For example, tên mình là Lan. My name is Lan. Next, our job. We say mình là, then our job. For example, mình là nhà báo. I am a journalist. Last but not least, where we're from. We say mình là người, then the country's name, in which người is a person. We use người plus the country's name to state our nationality. For example, mình là người Việt Nam. I am Vietnamese. We all have different jobs and we're all from different countries. We have two lists here, one for jobs, the other for countries.